Have you ever wondered who's behind the scenes of your Ally Bank account? Who's the big player pulling the strings? Let's dive into the world of Ally Bank and uncover the parent company that's steering this digital banking ship. Ally Bank, known for its high-interest savings accounts and innovative online banking services, has captured the attention of many. But who's the mastermind behind this user-friendly platform? Let's unravel the mystery and discover the parent company that powers Ally Bank. The parent company, Ally Financial. Ally Financial, a publicly traded company, is the proud parent of Ally Bank. It's a financial services company that offers a range of products and services, including auto financing. Ally Financial is a major player in the auto finance industry, providing loans for both new and used cars. Auto insurance. The company offers auto insurance policies to protect your vehicle. Mortgages. Ally Financial provides mortgage loans for home buyers. Investment services. You can invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds through Ally Invest. A brief history of Ally Financial. To understand the journey of Ally Bank, we need to delve into the history of its parent company. Ally Financial traces its roots back to General Motors Acceptance Corporation, GMAC, a finance company established by General Motors in 1919. Over the years, GMAC evolved and expanded its services. In 2006, it rebranded itself as Ally Financial. The company faced challenges during the 2008 financial crisis but emerged stronger, focusing on its core strengths in auto finance and banking. Ally Bank, a digital banking pioneer. Ally Bank, a subsidiary of Ally Financial, has revolutionized digital banking. It offers a range of banking products, including high-yield savings accounts. Ally Bank is renowned for its high-interest savings accounts, which can help you grow your savings faster. Checking accounts. The bank provides various checking account options to suit different needs. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Ally offers CDs with competitive interest rates. Money market accounts. These accounts combine the features of savings and checking accounts. Why choose Ally Bank? Ally Bank has gained popularity due to several factors. High interest rates. The bank offers competitive interest rates on its savings and investment products. User-friendly online platform. Ally's online banking platform is easy to navigate and provides a seamless user experience. Excellent customer service. The bank prides itself on its responsive and helpful customer service. No fees. Ally Bank doesn't charge monthly maintenance fees or overdraft fees. The future of Ally Bank. As a subsidiary of Ally Financial, Ally Bank is well positioned to continue its growth and innovation. The parent company's financial strength and commitment to digital banking ensure that Ally Bank will remain a leading player in the industry. Conclusion. So, the next time you log into your Ally Bank account, remember that you're part of a larger financial ecosystem powered by Ally Financial. This parent company's focus on customer satisfaction and financial innovation has made Ally Bank a trusted choice for millions of customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.